Oh, she's working so hard. I do help out around the house, I swear. Don't forget that last little bit, babe. You proud of a puppet? Girl power? Do you believe in girl power, puppet? Hey everyone, it's Adam here from Vegan Food and Fitness, and thanks for joining me for another vlog. I thought today, instead of bringing you a recipe, I would bring you a taste testing and a trip to Nandos, because they've just released their Great Imitator menu as an alternative to their chicken options. And I thought, what a great time to see what it's like. There's 3 different types of menu items that are available. So there's a wrap, there's a pita, and there's a burger. I have no idea how it's gonna taste. I think the important thing to say here is to acknowledge the fact that they are doing this, because people are now realizing that a plant-based diet is the future. It's better for the environment, it's better for your health. No animals are harmed in any way in the process of it. And I think that's just amazing, the fact that these items are now on the menu because people are demanding it. Yes, they still do chicken. We can't change the world overnight. And I think it's a great thing where if you are transitioning to become vegan, plant-based, you aren't having to be excluded from certain activities with friends because they want to go to Nando's and there's nothing for you to eat there. Well, there is. You know, they're doing it at Domino's now, they're doing it at KFC now. It doesn't mean you have to miss out. Could you move out the way, please? When you go in and you place your order and you tell them that you want the plant-based dish, you're basically saying, I don't want this chicken, I would rather have your plant-based version. And if enough people do that, then over time, there's gonna be even more items on that menu and there's gonna be less and less meat. As a result of that, supply is gonna drop. They're not gonna order as many. Not as many chickens are gonna be slaughtered. That's how we make a change. I have no idea how it's gonna taste, but I am hopeful, and I think I'll just order one of every item for the YouTube. I'll report back afterwards and we'll see what we get. The peri peri fries, they're okay, aren't they? Yeah, good.
To be my lawful wedded husband. I promise to love and protect you forever, to cherish and care for you, whatever the future may bring.
Where are we on the whole obey thing?
I think you know my
Policy.
opinion on that. Let's get Nando's!
I promise we'll be back soon. This is the first time that we're actually going to collect Nando's. Nando's, I'm going in. Smells amazing.
I'm excited.
Oh, I can even smell it through my face mask. So I'm back. Firstly, the smell. Definitely can't tell any difference whatsoever. It smells really good. As you can see, Beanie thinks so as well. Don't you, Beanie? I'm not gonna talk too much because I really wanna try it, and personally, I prefer my food hot. Yes, you can have a good look. Oh no, there's the other one. One thing I will tell you is that I've swapped from my jeans to my comfy pants because they have a bit more give. We've never done delivery before, so one thing I'll say is they come in these very secure little compartments. I mean, that's your peri fries. Wrap, and you see it says Great Imitator. Apparently this is the first ever pea protein chicken alternative. That's what it said on the menu. I am gonna go and eat this now, and then I've got a video to upload straight afterwards, so I will report back tomorrow and let you know how it's all going. And I'm gonna have my wrap for lunch tomorrow, so I'll let you know how that goes too. Whatever you have this evening, I hope you enjoy it, and I will let you know how this all turns out. To be continued. Hey everyone, it's a few days later after I had received the order. So on the night we tried the pita and the burger, and my first impressions of the burger were very similar to my very first impressions of Nando's, in that I was a little bit disappointed. I opened it up and it was the bun, it was the tomato, It was a bit of lettuce, a bit of sauce, and the chicken alternative. Don't get me wrong, that in itself was great, and I'll come on to that, but it just all looked a bit plain and bland and a bit boring, especially when you compare it to some of the other burgers that are out there now. It just seemed really like uninspiring. Anna liked the pita. She said that that was very nice and that was well flavored. I tried the wrap the next day. I had that for my lunch, and the wrap was a lot more exciting. The wrap had the chili jam in it, and they actually wrapped it really well. I was quite impressed with how tight it was wrapped. So I would definitely get the wrap again, but I wouldn't get the burger. I think if the burger had the chili jam, maybe that would be a bit nicer. The chicken alternative, the pea protein, non-meat version of their chicken, that was really nice. I could not tell the difference at all. It was a perfect substitute in my eyes. The only thing that I couldn't tell so much in terms of the difference was that it didn't seem to have as much of a char flavour to it, which I can't quite understand because it was cooked on the same grill. Maybe that was just me, maybe it was just that time. But overall, I was really impressed with it. I think it's a great start, and I'm really impressed that they have put something like that on the menu, and so they should, because there's more and more demand for plant-based, non-animal products. Thankfully, they've answered what we've been asking for. Well, I think now they should really be elaborating on that, extending that menu, keep thinking of alternatives, because to me, it was a perfect substitute. It tasted exactly the same texture, but I knew I wasn't eating an animal. So thank you, Nandos, for doing that. And I hope more and more restaurants will come on board with that. I think they're gonna have to, really, or people will go elsewhere soon. That's it from the review. Thank you all for joining me again. If you like this type of content and you wanna see more plant-based reviews, and don't forget to leave a comment as well if you've tried the Nandos dish, or if you've tried any other alternatives to chicken. I'd love to know what your thoughts were on them. So I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all very soon. Hello.